Welcome to Chemistry Tutorial 360. Today we are going to learn about balancing chemical equations. This is video 1. I hope, believe and expect that you will get some valuable information from this series. So to balance this equation, we'll follow some steps. I think when I will balance this reaction, at that time you will be able to know that rule. So to balance this reaction, at first I have to draw a table like this, right? If I draw a table like this, then I will get two parts. This is reactant part and this is product part. In the reactant part, I have to now count the atom, right? Here we have one silver, but here we have two hydrogen, right? So let me write that. And here we have one sulfur, so I have to write here. Here we have two silver, right? So let me write here. And here we have one sulfur, so let me write here. And here we have two hydrogen, so let me write here. So now you have to compare the number of atoms from both sides. So here we have one silver, but here we have two. So to balance the silver, what can I do? I can multiply here by 2. That gives me 2, right? So, and these two must come before this silver. That is, I have to search for silver. So I have to place here 2. Okay. So now we have here two silver, two hydrogen, one sulfur. So you can say that this is the balanced equation, right? Okay, let me take another example to make it easy. This is xenon plus this is fluorine, right? And we are getting here xenon hexafluoride. So how will you balance this reaction? To balance this reaction, let me draw a table like this. Okay, on the left hand side or reactant side, we have here one xenon, right? And here we have two fluorine. And here we have one xenon. And here we have 6 fluorine, right? So here we have two fluorine, two fluorine. Our fluorine is not balanced here, right? So to balance the fluorine, what can I do? I can multiply here by 3. That gives me 6, right? And these 3 must come before this fluorine that is here. So I will place here 3. So now you can say that this is the balanced equation, right? Okay. If you count the number of atom, then you will get the same number of atom. Let me prove it. Okay. So, okay. On the left hand side, we have here one xenon plus here we have 3 times 2, that is 6 fluorine, right? So totally we are getting 7 atom. And on the right hand side we have one xenon plus we have 6 fluorine, that is totally we are getting 7 atom, right? So you can say that we cannot create any new atom, right? Or that is we cannot destroy it much, right, in the chemical equation. That is the mass of the left hand side of this equation will be equal to the mass of the right side of this equation. Okay, so thank you for viewing this video. Be well.